Very good morning, children. I welcome you for the today's session. Today, the date is 7/11/2020, and we are discussing the subject science. In the science, we are continuing with the lesson for domestic and other useful animals. Okay, last class also we have seen few topics in the lesson 4. Lesson 4 itself, we are continuing in this session. The topics we are discussing is animals that help us in transporting and farming. One, and the second is other uses of animal. We are discussing two topics. Okay, shall we start, children? Animals that help us in transporting and farming. Okay, last class we have discussed about the animals which will provide us food, isn't it, children? Okay, this class we are discussing the animals that help us in transporting. Okay, animals such as elephants, horses, camels, oxen, and donkeys. Okay, keep these animals in mind: elephants, horses, camels, oxen, and donkeys help us in carrying heavy loads from one place to other place. Okay, these elephants, horses, camels, oxen, and donkeys will help us to carry heavy loads from one place to other. Even horses, these camels will be used as a vehicle to go from one place to other place. Okay, donkeys will carry the clothes. Okay, olden days donkeys are used to carry the clothes. Okay, now elephants help us in carrying heavy logs of wood. Okay, wood, logs of blocks of wood that will be heavy in a weight. Okay, these loads will be carried by the elephants are so big, no? So they will carry the big logs of wood. Okay, then oxen, buffaloes, pigs, sheep, and horses help us in farming. Oxen help the farmers in ploughing the fields. Okay, oxen help the farmer in ploughing the field. Okay, while they are the oxen are very important in a farming. They help in ploughing the fields. Then this one, buffaloes, pigs, sheep, and horses will get manures. Okay, will get manures from that. This will help the farmers in farming. Observe the picture, children. This horse, donkey, and elephant are carrying the loads. Then oxen is helping for the plantation. Okay, it is helping for the plantation. Next, other uses of animals. We'll see few other uses of animals. What we'll get from the animals? We get honey from honeybees. Honeybees, you have seen, no, that honeybees will take a this one from the flowers. It will take that sweet syrup and keep in the that they'll make a this one honey. So that honey we are using for the to eat. Okay, the honey will be very sweet and we all like to have a honey, correct, children? This we'll get from the honeybees. Then the dung of horse, cows, goats, and camels use as a manure or fuels. Okay, dungs, the waste of horse, cows, goats, camels, used as a manure, gobra. Okay, used as a manure for the plants or as a fuel. Last olden days and all, they are putting they'll dry the dung and they used to used as a fuel. Okay, nowadays we are not at all using. Okay, that we can use the dung as a fuel also to heat. Okay, then we keep some animals such as dogs, cats, rabbits, and birds as a pet. These all pet animals, no? We all keep these dogs, cats, rabbits, and birds as a pet. We love, care, and we play with them. not only to play, the dogs also guard our home. Dogs will guard our home. If stranger came, dog will bark at them, correct children? So dog will protect from the thieves, correct? It will guard our house. Then what the cat will do? The cat keep mice away. Okay, the cat easily catch the mice, no? So the cat will keep our home away from the mice. Okay, this will eat all the mice. So the cat will help in keeping a mice away from our house. Observe here children, all this will get honey from the honey bee. Then we'll use our pets called dog, cats, and how the dog is guarding our home and how the cat is eating a this one the cat is killing the mice. Okay, Ili. Cat is killing the mice. So it is keeping away from the mice. Thank you, children. It is the end of lesson 4. From the next class, we'll see the lesson 5. Thank you and follow every day properly.